Now, let's discuss in deep the instantaneous overcurrent relay. Definite current relay operates instantaneously when the current reaches the predetermined value. Its operation criteria is only current magnitude without time delay. The operating time is constant. Here we have the characteristics of the tripping time with respect to the current. The coordination of definite current relay is based on the fact that the fault current varies with the position of the fault because of the difference in the impedance between the fault and the source. The relay located further from the source operate for a lower current value. The operating currents are progressively increased for the other relays when moving towards the source. It operates in zero point 0.1 second or less. So the application of this type of relay, this type is applied to outgoing feeders as shown in this figure. You have the power supply, and here we have different circuit breakers. Let's assume the fault occur here. We have the operating time. It depends on the distance from the source. More we are far away from the source, less will be the operating time of the relay. For the definite time over current relay, two conditions must be satisfied for operation. Current must exceed the setting value and the fault must be continuous, at least a time equal to time setting of the relay. Modern relays may contain more than one stage of protection. Each stage includes each own current and time setting. For operation of different time over current relay, operating time is constant. Here, once the current becomes greater than the pickup current, the relay will not trip before T1, and the tripping time is not variable. It is constant. It doesn't depend on the value of the current beyond the tripping value. It's very easy to coordinate. The applications are backup protection of distance relay of transmission line with time delay, backup protection for differential relays of power transformers with time delay, main protection to outgoing feeders, and bus couplers with adjustable time delay setting. For the inverse time over current relay, this type of relays operating time is inversely changed with the current, as shown in this figure. So high current will operate over current relay faster than lower currents. There are standard inverse, very inverse, and extremely inverse types as shown in slides before. The discrimination by both time and current, the relay operation time is inversely proportional to the fault current. The operating time of these time over current relay is generally between 0.5 and the slowest is 10 seconds. It operates when current exceeds its pickup current here. Operating time depends on the magnitude of the current. It gives inverse time current characteristics at lower value of fault current, and definite current characteristics at higher value. You can see here it's like a definite time characteristics here. For very high current, the tripping time will be constant. So the applications for this type of relay, they are frequently used in utility and industrial circuits, especially applicable where the fault magnitude is mainly dependent on the system